Let's see how to easily install apps from App Store using Apple Watch. So go to your Apple Watch and press this crown to go to your app library. Once you are in your app library, scroll down and find out App Store. Tap on App Store to open. If you're first time in App Store, it may ask you to sign in. Just go ahead and sign into your App Store using your Apple ID. Now tap on this search icon. Here you can select gesture or this voice input. So let's select gesture first of all, and here you can type the app name you want to download. Just type letter just like this. Or you can tap on this icon. Here you can select voice search, Spotify, now here we can see the Spotify app. Just tap on this download icon. And here we can see the Spotify is now installing on my Apple Watch. So that's how we can actually install any app on our Apple Watch.